Let's start with how to install Let's View on phone. I had already installed mine, but we'll show you how to do so. Go to Play Store. Type in Let's View. Click on Let's View, free wireless screen mirroring app option. Install. Right now I am using Let's View casted on PC, and this is how it looks like. Cast the photos, videos, files or other content to your computer easily. Some other features include Whiteboard, where you can also mirror to PC or any other phone type. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, you will learn how to cast phone to PC. Go to Google, search for letsview.com, then download the software. Click the red button to download. Open the download folder at the bottom corner. Install the Let's View setup. Click Install Now. To cast your phone to PC, open the Let's View on phone and Let's View on PC, then connect both together. There are two options, where you can cast either your phone to PC or casting your PC to your phone. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.